So here is how you can save the current location in Google Maps on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So we can get inside the Google Maps, and as you can see, the location, which is indicated by the dot where you happen to be on a map, is likely showing up on your Google Maps. It will probably be more zoomed in, but I keep it like this, right? And there are a few options. Like, a lot of people just cannot tap on their location, right? Not really on any place, but just like on your dot right there, right? So you can see that you can tap on where you are or hold down on your place, and you will have the ability to share that location. But as you can notice, whenever I hold down next to it, I also get the pin dropped. So the point is that you can drop the pin right next to you, happen to be on the map, and then now you can add that pinned location, right? So if you see your dot on a place on a map, you can hold down very close to it or right at that place to drop the pin, and the pin can be saved like this, right? You can click on the save as such, and you can put it into your favorites or create a new list or start places, whatever you have in here. Saved places, travel plans, you can customize it as much as you like, and you can also give it a little description. So this is where I was, right? So that's something you can do. I'm obviously not going to zoom in entirely to show my location, but I'm just trying to make the point that if you happen to be somewhere close, or you are on this place, you hold it down on the pin very close to it. If you had it zoomed in, you would be able to be more precise, and this is how you can then save the current location. And so I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.